In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up Intuit Credit Karma account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma sign up page. Make sure you're using the legitimate website so your information is entered securely. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the registration screen where you can begin creating your account. The first part of the process is setting up your login details. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long, and it's a good idea to choose something strong that combines letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed. This helps keep your account protected from unauthorized access. After entering your email and password, go ahead and click the sign up button to continue. Next, Credit Karma will ask for some personal information. This step is important because the platform needs to verify your identity before giving you access to your credit-related information. You'll typically be asked to provide your full legal name, your date of birth, and your home address. Depending on your situation, you may also be asked for additional identifying details as part of the verification process. As you fill this out, make sure everything matches your official records as closely as possible. Even small errors can sometimes delay verification. After that, you'll move into the identity verification stage. This is a normal part of signing up and is designed to protect your account and your personal credit data. You may be asked to confirm your email address, verify your phone number, or answer identity verification questions based on your credit history. These questions are usually multiple choice and are meant to confirm that you are who you say you are. Take your time with this step and answer carefully, since accurate responses are essential for successful verification. Once your identity has been verified, your account setup is complete and you'll be able to access your Credit Karma dashboard. From there, you can view your credit scores, check your credit reports, and monitor alerts related to changes in your credit profile. You may also see personalized financial recommendations based on the information available in your account. That's the full sign-up process from start to finish. If you follow each screen carefully and enter your information accurately, creating your Intuit Credit Karma account should be quick and straightforward.